What's going on, viewers? Fishing with Austin here, and today I'm going to be installing a navigational light, stern light, and then we have these LED light strips, which are going to be your port and starboard, your red and green navigation lights on the front of the boat. They go on the front with adhesive strips, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be doing the install today. I don't see these labeled, which means we're gonna have to put them to power to see what color they are. Which, if you want to find out, you can do it by attaching it to your drill battery and seeing which ends light up. So by attaching these on the power connectors, we can tell this is the red light. So we'll get a Sharpie and mark it. We'll put a dot on it for it to be the port navigation light. And then we'll get to installing. Remove the zip ties. Okay everyone, so I didn't do a whole lot of talk in this video. Just turn on the nav lights. I didn't do a whole lot of talking, but pretty much it's cut and dry. You put new connectors on. I electrical taped this bundle right here just to make it a little neat. Put a hook under here one of these days and just have it like that. Really neat. This thing's pretty bright though, really bright, which is excellent. Also down here we have our starboard and port lights going. Ordered these off Amazon. They're pretty good. And then what I did was ran the cord up through here and then in through here. What I need to do is loosen the trolling motor and run the wires in, or at least try to hide them a little better. But for now, just gonna loosen this and stuff them up under this panel. Okay, I loosened this panel, stuffed the wires up under it so they won't come out. Just loosen these bolts, stuff it up under there, tighten them, good to go. Lights are good, they work good. New stern light. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped, leave a comment, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.